Hello there, welcome. Today what I wanted to do is show you an option for shoulder stand, Salamba Sarvangasana, the family of Salamba Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand family, that can be done with no props. So I know that a lot of you are kind of in that either gearing up for or in the summer mode, and I recently put together a playlist for those of you who are in my on-demand membership that is a low prop or no prop playlist so that you can take your classes, your yoga with you wherever you go, whether it's to the cottage, whether you're just different schedules, you know, you're practicing little bits here and there, whatever it may be. You want to be able to be spontaneous in the summer, and sometimes that means you're just you're not so rigid with your practice, and you got to be able to go with the flow. So in a lot of the classes, they may be not particularly prop intensive, but when it comes to shoulder stand, typically speaking, from an Iyengar yoga perspective, we will always put some height underneath the shoulders in classical Salamba Sarvangasana. So you can always substitute that out for something that does not require any props, because shoulder stand is in and of itself a category of poses. It's not just one inverted asana. Okay, so this is a really simple way to, check the box of your shoulder stand family when you don't have access to absolutely anything. Okay, no props required. So what I suggest is you start with Chatushpadasana. Okay, so you can lay yourself down on the ground and start with your knees bent. Draw your shoulder blades under, and then have your palms facing each other like this. Okay, roll the buttocks away from the waist and just keep a relatively neutral spine to begin with. Then from here, so this whole upper arm is now almost like a second pair of feet. So you press into your actual feet, you press into these upper arms, and then lift yourself up. Roll the buttocks away from the waist as you lift up, and lift up with the intention of rolling onto your shoulders. Remember, this is a shoulder stand. So, it's not down here, but can you roll up onto your shoulders? Turn the front of the thighs in, midline of the buttock up, abdomen is soft. Okay, Chatushpadasana. And then roll the buttocks away from the waist as you lower down. Pause here. Okay, this can be done for however, holdings. You can hold it once you're up there for a certain amount of time, whatever serves you in that practice. You can also repeat it several times. So you can go up, hold it, come down, and then go up again. Okay, we're gonna go up again one more time, but then I'm gonna show you how you can actually create for yourself a Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. I want to say it's like a mini Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, and it is supported, okay? Supported, but only using your own body. So let's start with Chatushpadasana again. Draw those shoulder blades under, away from your neck. Plant your upper arm strongly down, right from the shoulder corner to the elbow. Press, press. Press into your feet, and then lift yourself up. Roll the buttocks away from the waist and lift yourself higher and higher up onto your shoulders. Again, thighs turn in a little bit, mid buttock into the body. Then take your hands, interlace your fingers, and extend your arms. Okay, so here you may be able to get even higher up onto your shoulders. Push into the feet, roll onto the shoulders more, reach into your wrists. Okay, now to transition into Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, you're gonna start to reach your buttocks, almost like you're aiming beyond your wrists, right? Reach there, and lower your buttocks down. And then from here, you can extend your legs to straight. Turn the front of the thighs in and press your knees and thighs down. Okay, roll those shoulders under, press the thighs down, and notice the shape here that I have in my chest and this mini Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. When you're done, you bend your knees, lift yourself up, undo your hands, roll the buttocks away from the waist as you lower, and then from here, you can carry on. Okay, maybe you go from here into Shavasana, or perhaps you're moving into something else in your practice. Okay, so that is one option here for you if you don't have props. And it's really just, I hope, a good reminder that we can be creative in our practice, and something like props does not have to hold you back, okay? Yeah, if you've never done it that way, try it out. Let me know what you think, and enjoy the summer days, and happy practicing.